Paper receipts have been around for what seems like forever. We touch them every day and probably don't think twice about it.
But in today's Business Matters report, there's an effort to get businesses to move away from all that paper. As Cassie Bonstrom explains, there's a chemical in some of those receipts that could be harmful to your health.
When a salesperson hands you a receipt, you probably aren't thinking about the chemicals in that small piece of paper.
I never really thought about that.
Working retail for 18 years. That's the first I've heard of it.
But those receipts deserve a second glance. The Minnesota Pollution Control Agency says they contain bisphenol A, or BPA. That chemical has been known to interfere with reproductive development and cause other health problems.
I've heard of BPA, but I've never heard of it being in receipts. That's new.
If there's a way to limit that exposure, we want to.
Madalyn Cioci says the MPCA's long-term goal is to remove the toxin BPA from Minnesota entirely. So now they're focusing on those paper receipts and asking businesses to go paperless and email or text their receipts instead.
And if you think about all of the people and all of the receipts and how much paper is sold, you'd be surprised.
With a federal grant, they're reaching out to the hospitality sector and offering hotels and restaurants the financial and technical help they need to make the switch.
It's one of those areas where there's an alternative. You know, you can go paperless very easily these days.
Madalyn wants to get the word out, but not cause unnecessary worry.
I'm not here to scare people. I don't think that handling a single receipt is going to cause problems. You know, it's a long-term exposure issue that we're talking about.
Now, it's not known exactly how much BPA is in these receipts or what level of exposure you must have to be considered dangerous. However, the MPCA simply wants to get as much BPA out of the state as possible. Now, back to you.
Cassie, thanks. If you would like to learn more about going paperless and the effects of BPA, we have a link on our website at 12.tv.